Hi.
Look what we made today. We made, hi Dad, these.
Cool. Kringla.
A Pillsbury. It's called Swedish. Oh, yeah, that's good enough right there. Stop. Put it in. Stop.
Every time we do this, you have to put the word Kringla. Stop. I'm going to cut it out.
Why do you guys call me stupid all the time?
Well, it's hard not to, Grace.
You just let it drain.
No.
Hey, you're gonna get copyrighted for singing that.
Am I? Okay, wait, this is all we need to do in this. Is it locked in?
Oh, we won't
It's in the fridge.
Oh.
You messed it up!
I just cracked the egg into the sink.
The guests are messing around with Grace and I'm the one actually doing the work. That's how it
She's
is.
not a guest.
She's an imbecile.
You're in my house.
I don't know what imbecile means.
Does she ever just like stop?
No.
We got matching bracelets.
Yeah.
Wait, why y'all look?
How you would look
This is how it's supposed to look.
And you're sure it's
Why might I look like this?
Bum, bum, bum. It's not sticky to me. I'm doing just fine. I think Grace is the
I think I just attract stickiness.
Grace is the common denominator in this situation here.
Have you ever taken math before? And do you know what common denominator means?
Yes.
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense.
And then another one. I mean, into the unknown. Into the unknown.
Oh wait, I like Fetty Wap. And he's a rapper.
We know he's a rapper.
Grace really
Who's your favorite serial killer? I like
anyone. I think we are disrespecting the Kringlas. I think I am disrespecting the Kringlas. I cast spells. Wizards of Waverly Place Commando.
You get him, Grace.
Alright, let's put her down.
One job I get. Yeah, good. Now it looks like I have a mess.
Oh, I'm actually really good knock knock knock, but you have to start it. Okay.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Your mom. Sorry, keep going. Knock knock.
Who's there?
What now?
That's the good part of the joke.
Okay, wait. Try it again. Knock knock.
Who's there?
She doesn't get it. She doesn't understand.
Oh. Wait, you're supposed to say it. Because I don't know the joke.
I'm aware. That is the joke.
That's the point.
Is there a trash can we can throw us all away in?
Yeah, right there.
Where? And we're gonna try it. Ready, go. Delicious. So we just wanted to say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Have a wonderful night or day.
Merry Christmas.
What do you mean?
We had fun.
We're tired.
High five.
Peace out. High five.
That was the least enthusiastic thing I've ever seen.